How to Export Gemini Chat History 2026 Full Guide. If you've been having important conversations with Google Gemini and want to save them, back them up, or revisit them later outside the app, this video is going to show you every method available to do exactly that in 2026. Welcome back. Today we're walking through the complete guide on how to export your Gemini chat history, covering every option Google gives you. From sharing individual conversations to doing a full data export of everything. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Gemini Google.com and make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Step 2. For saving a single conversation, open the specific chat you want to export. Look for the Share and Export button at the top right of the conversation window. Click it to see your available options. Step 3. From the Share and Export menu, you can choose to share as a public link, which generates a shareable URL anyone can view. Or you can select Export to Docs, which instantly saves the entire conversation as a clean, formatted Google Doc straight to your Google Drive. Step 4. To export to Google Docs, simply click Export to Docs, wait a few seconds, and Google will automatically create the document and open it for you. From there, you can download it as a Word file, PDF, or plain text by going to File, then Download inside Google Docs. Step 5. For a complete export of all your Gemini chat history at once, go to My Account, Google.com on your browser. Step 6. Click on Data and Privacy in the left side menu. Step 7. Scroll down and click on Download Your Data, which is part of Google Takeout. Step 8. On the Google Takeout page, deselect all services first by clicking Deselect All, then scroll down and find Gemini Apps Activity and check that box only. Step 9. Scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. Choose your file type as zip. Select your delivery method, either download link via email or save directly to Google Drive. Then click Create Export. Google will process your request and notify you when your full Gemini chat history is ready to download. Pro tip: if you regularly use Gemini for work, research, or important projects, make it a habit to export key conversations to Google Docs immediately after finishing them. Rename and organize those docs in a dedicated Google Drive folder so you always have a clean, searchable archive of your most valuable AI conversations without having to do a full data export every time. And that's your complete guide to exporting Gemini chat history in 2026. Whether you need one conversation saved quickly or your entire history backed up, you now have every method covered. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Google and AI tips, and tell me in the comments, are you saving your Gemini chats for work, study, or something else? I read every comment. See you in the next one.